Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fabulous Mercedes-Benz C Class 1.6 C180 BlueEfficiency Executive SE Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 75,006 miles and it's finished in the colour Dolomite Brown. It comes with 10 previous services and it's had the water pump changed in 2021. It sits very nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Here in the boot you'll find 475 litres of boot space. You've got some net storage there to the left. It's a nice size overall. You do have a spare wheel underneath the boot floor as well, which is a very handy touch to have. Take a look inside. Here to the rear you'll find your gorgeous beige leather seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. There's a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat as well. Here at front you'll see the two-tone dashboard. You have the brown leather wrapped steering wheel round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat thanks to the part electric adjustment. Here on the steering wheel you have some controls for your trip display in the instrument cluster. On the right you have some controls for the infotainment system. In your display here you've got access to all of your standard driving data from your miles to the gallon, trip computer and even speedometer. You also have access to your audio, telephone, driver assist features, service information and vehicle settings. In the centre of the dashboard you have your infotainment screen with some buttons here down below in the centre. Your main controls are here in the centre console. You have your main control dial. On the system you do have access to FM and AM radio, or alternatively you can connect your own source of audio here. You've got a CD player, USB storage, even your media interface, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary inputs as well. Your telephone menu here where you can pair your phone with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have some system information here. You can access some system settings as well.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.